Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix LED flashlight notifications not working on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this problem, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here scroll down to the hearing section and click on audio or visual, and then scroll down to the end, and here click on LED flash for alerts, and then turn on all these buttons. After turning on all these buttons, the LED flashlight for notifications will start working. And if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again, then click on general. Now here click on software updates. Now check if your iPhone is updated to latest version of iOS or not. If your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS version, then update it. And after updating, restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now slide this icon to right side to restart your iPhone. So after restarting the iPhone, the flashlight for notifications will start working properly. And if it's still not working, then open settings, and then again click on general, and then scroll down to the end, and here click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now again click on reset, and then click on reset all settings. Now enter your lock screen passcode, and then here again click on reset all settings to confirm reset. It will reset only your iPhone settings. It will not delete your any data from your iPhone like photos or videos. It will just reset your all settings. So after resetting the all the settings, the flashlight for notifications will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.